In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the title of a Facebook Marketplace listing. This will help your item show up more clearly when people search on Marketplace. Go ahead and open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it loads, you should see the familiar home feed with posts from friends and pages. At the top or bottom, depending on your device, you will see the main navigation icons for Home, Watch, and Marketplace. If Facebook asks you to log in first, make sure you use the account that originally created your Marketplace listing, since titles can only be changed by the owner of the listing. Now tap Marketplace. The icon usually looks like a small storefront. When Marketplace opens, you should see a grid or list of items that other people near you are selling. Along the top, there will be filters and categories like vehicles, property rentals, and more. You might also see a small profile picture or a person icon, which is how you get to your own items. Marketplace is the only area where you can edit that listing title, so if you do not see Marketplace, check that you are using the main Facebook app, not a separate tool. From there, tap Selling, or it might be labeled Your Listings, depending on your version of the app. This takes you away from the public feed and into your personal selling area. On this screen, you will see different tabs such as Active, Pending, and Sold. Under Active, you should see the item whose title you want to change. If you have many listings, scroll slowly so you do not tap the wrong item. Next, select the listing you want to update. Just tap anywhere on that listing row or picture. The listing details page will open, showing your current title at the top, the price, description, photos, and any other details you added before. Take a moment to confirm that this is the correct item so you avoid renaming the wrong listing. With the listing open, tap the three dots labeled More. These dots are usually in the top right corner of the screen. When you tap them, a small menu will slide up or drop down with several options related to this listing. This menu controls actions like editing or hiding the listing. From that menu, tap Edit Listing. The screen will switch into editing mode. Now you should see input fields for title, price, category, condition, and description, plus your photos. You are not changing anything yet, so you can safely look around this page. A useful detail is that changes you make here are only applied when you finish with the Save button. Now edit the title. Tap inside the title field at the top and your keyboard will appear. Adjust the wording so it clearly describes the item. For example, include the brand, size, or color if that helps buyers search. Try to avoid writing in all capital letters, since that can look like spam and may turn buyers away. Once you finish typing, close the keyboard or tap outside the box so you can see the whole form again. After that, review your changes. Look over the new title and the rest of the listing on this edit screen. Check for spelling mistakes, wrong sizes, or outdated details. Many beginners forget to remove old words like sold or reserved from the title, which can confuse people. What you see here is exactly what buyers will see once you save, so this is your chance to correct anything. Finally, tap Update, or it may say Save at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, the edit screen will close and you will return to the listing view. You should now see the new title displayed at the top of your item. Facebook applies this change right away, so anyone browsing Marketplace from this point on will see the updated wording. You have just successfully changed the title of your Facebook Marketplace listing so buyers can find and understand your item more easily. And if this helped you tidy up your listings, a quick thumbs up and maybe a subscribe for more simple Marketplace tips would really support the channel.